Hey there, cat lovers! Are you ready to make this holiday season extra special for your furry friends? It's the most wonderful time of the year, and you know what that means? Holiday treats. But this year, let's not just focus on ourselves. Let's spread the joy to our beloved cats too. And not just for us, but for our feline friends too. Imagine their delight as they get to enjoy some festive goodies made just for them. That's right, we're diving headfirst into a 24-hour cat treat extravaganza. From crunchy bites to soft chews, we've got it all covered. We've got a mountain of festive goodies to try, and we can't wait to see which ones get the most meows of approval. Will it be the turkey-flavored bites or the salmon snacks? Get ready for a day filled with delicious smells, adorable cat reactions, and maybe even a few surprises along the way. We'll be testing out a variety of treats, from homemade recipes to store-bought favorites. Let the holiday treat testing begin. Stay tuned as we embark on this festive journey, making sure our feline friends have the best holiday season ever. Whether they prefer crunchy or soft, savory or sweet, we've got something for every kitty palate. So grab your cat, get cozy, and let's dive into the world of holiday treats for our furry friends. We've got a veritable feast laid out for our feline taste testers. This holiday season we wanted to make sure our furry friends are just as spoiled as we are. From the moment you set eyes on this spread, you can tell it's something special. The table is adorned with a variety of treats that are sure to make any cat purr with delight. There are crunchy treats shaped like snowmen and candy canes. These festive shapes not only look adorable but are also packed with flavors that cats love. Imagine your kitty batting around a little snowman treat before finally chomping down on it. It's a delightful sight. We've got soft, chewy treats that smell like turkey and cranberry. These treats are perfect for cats who prefer something a bit more tender. The aroma alone is enough to get any cat excited. Turkey and cranberry are classic holiday flavors, and now your cat can enjoy them too. And of course, no holiday spread would be complete without some catnip-infused goodies to really get the party started. Catnip is like magic for cats, and these treats are sure to bring out the playful side in your feline friend. Watch as they get a burst of energy and start playing with their new toys. We've got salmon-flavored treats for the seafood lovers. These treats are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for your cat's coat and overall health. Plus, the taste of salmon is something most cats can't resist. Chicken-flavored treats for the poultry enthusiasts. Chicken is a favorite among many cats, and these treats are made with real chicken to ensure they're both tasty and nutritious. Your cat will be meowing for more, and even some vegetarian options for our plant-based pals. These treats are made with wholesome ingredients like sweet potatoes and peas, providing a healthy alternative for cats with dietary restrictions or preferences. We made sure to pick out treats with different textures too. Some cats love a good crunch, while others prefer something softer. By offering a variety of textures, we ensure that every cat can find something they enjoy. Some cats love a good crunch. Crunchy treats can help keep their teeth clean and provide a satisfying bite. Watching a cat crunch down on a treat is always a joy, while others prefer something softer. Soft treats are easier to chew and can be more appealing to older cats or those with dental issues. They also tend to have a stronger aroma, which can be very enticing. We're covering all our bases. No matter what your cat's preferences are, there's something here for them. This holiday season, let your feline friend indulge in a meowgical selection of festive snacks. Happy holidays to you and your furry companions. It's time to unleash the furry taste testers on this mountain of holiday goodness. We've got cats of all ages, breeds, and personalities ready to give their honest opinions. Some cats dive right in, eager to sample every treat in sight. Others are a bit more hesitant, giving each treat a cautious sniff before deciding whether it's worthy of their attention. It's fascinating to see how each cat's personality influences their treat preferences. Some cats are all about that crunchy texture, while others prefer a softer, chewier experience. Some treats are an instant hit. The salmon-flavored treats, in particular, seem to be a crowd pleaser. We've got cats batting at the bag trying to sneak extra treats when they think we're not looking. But not every treat is met with such enthusiasm. The cranberry-flavored treats, for example, are proving to be a bit more divisive. Some cats give them a cautious sniff and walk away, while others take a tentative lick and immediately make a face. It's all part of the fun. Section 5. The Salmon Surprise, a positive hit. We knew the salmon-flavored treats would be popular, but we had no idea they'd be this much of a hit. Cats who normally turn their noses up at treats are going crazy for these fishy delights. Maybe it's the irresistible aroma, or maybe it's the taste of the ocean. But these treats have definitely earned their place as the reigning champions of our holiday treat taste test. We've already had to order more because they're disappearing faster than we can refill the bowl. Section 6. Cranberry Conundrum. Not a fan favorite. The cranberry-flavored treats, on the other hand, have not been met with such universal acclaim. Despite our best efforts to create a festive and appealing treat for our feline friends, the response has been less than enthusiastic. We thought the festive flavor would be a hit, but it seems like most of our feline friends aren't fans of tart treats. The idea was to bring a bit of holiday cheer into their diet, but it appears that cranberries are not the way to a cat's heart. Some cats take a sniff and immediately turn away, showing clear disinterest. It's almost as if they can sense the tartness before even tasting it, while others take a tentative lick and make a face that speaks volumes. Their expressions range from mild surprise to outright disgust, making it clear that cranberry is not their preferred flavor. It's safe to say that cranberry won't be making a regular appearance on our cat's treat menu anytime soon. We had high hopes for this seasonal treat, but it's evident that our furry companions have different tastes. It's a good reminder that every cat has their own unique preferences, and what one cat loves another might hate. This experience has taught us a valuable lesson in understanding and respecting the individual tastes of our pets. Some cats have a sweet tooth and enjoy fruity flavors, while others prefer savory or meaty treats. It's all about finding the right balance and offering a variety of options to keep them happy and satisfied. Just like humans, cats have their own personalities and preferences. What works for one might not work for another, and that's perfectly okay. The key is to pay attention to their reactions and adjust accordingly. As pet owners, it's our responsibility to ensure that our cats are not only well fed but also enjoy their meals and treats. This means experimenting with different flavors and textures to see what they like best. In the end, it's all about making our furry friends happy. Whether it's a cranberry treat or something else, the goal is to bring joy and satisfaction to their lives. So while cranberries might not be a fan favorite, there are plenty of other options to explore. Let's continue to celebrate the unique tastes and preferences of our pets, and always strive to make their lives as enjoyable as possible. After all, a happy cat makes for a happy home. Section 7. Safety first. Choosing healthy holiday treats. While it's fun to spoil our cats with festive treats, it's important to remember that their health and safety come first. Always choose treats that are specifically designed for cats and made with high-quality ingredients. Avoid treats that contain artificial colors, flavors, or preservatives, as these can be harmful to cats. When introducing new treats, start with a small amount to make sure your cat doesn't have any adverse reactions. Section 8. Reading the label. Ingredients matter. Just like with our own food, it's important to read the label on cat treats carefully. Look for treats that list meat or fish as the first ingredient, and avoid treats that are high in grains, fillers, or artificial ingredients. Remember that cats are obligate carnivores, which means they need meat to thrive. Choose treats that reflect their natural dietary needs. Section 9. Moderation is key even with treats. No matter how much your cat begs and pleads, it's important to remember that treats should only make up a small percentage of their daily caloric intake. Overfeeding treats can lead to weight gain and other health problems. Treats should be just that, a treat. Save them for special occasions or as a reward for good behavior. Section 10. The perfect holiday treat champions. After a full 24 hours of taste testing, we've crowned our winners. The salmon-flavored treats were the undisputed champions, earning rave reviews from almost every cat who tried them. The chicken and turkey flavors were also popular choices, while the vegetarian options received mixed reviews. And as for the cranberry-flavored treats, well, let's just say they won't be making a comeback anytime soon. Section 11. Spreading the holiday cheer with your cat. Testing holiday cat treats has been a blast. We've learned so much about our cat's preferences and discovered some new favorites along the way. Remember to always put your cat's health and safety first when choosing treats. And don't forget that moderation is key. Now go out there and spread some holiday cheer with your feline friend. They deserve a special treat or two this holiday season.